Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your speaker Anker Soundcore 3. So basically it's so simple, I really like it. It's the best hard reset on all speakers what I had. All you want to do is press Bluetooth button and volume up button at the same time for at least 3 seconds. We can see a flashing, so it means that we make a hard reset. Now, click on the settings icon or information icon if you have iOS. Then forget device. Now, press one time on the power button to turn on the speaker. Then click pair new device. And click on your speaker. Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!